Morning everybody. I am Narendra. I am representing Spectron brand of interactive whiteboard. This is from Hong Kong and it is working in an electromagnetic technology. This uses a very passive electromagnetic rays. So that's why there is a small dilemma in our mind that whether it will affect the person who is using it. No, because it has a passive radiation only and it has a stylus with it. And this stylus has a complete function of a mouse, as well as it is used as your normal pen or your eraser. So now when I am saying complete function of the mouse, you can see that the complete function of the mouse uses the left key where I select, and also and you see that instantly the file gets opened, and you also have the right function of the key where you keep the mouse for a little longer time and you can see the dialog box showing the right function. Apart from this, it also has the hovering function where it shows the file properties, and this is why I am saying this point is that this board can also be used as your big screen computer apart from the normal teaching board. Now I am going to enter into the software, which is a very beautiful and wonderful software called Spectron software. I have already gone inside, and you can see once you enter the software, this is your work area of any teacher. It is a simple work area with the tools on one side and the resources on the other side. The tools are multiple tools using like your pen tool. You can see that once you go into the pen tool, you have a color selection, your width of the pen, the transparency level, and the type of line you want or type of writing you want. Like I have selected a straight, and I have selected color blue, and I have selected the thickness 3, and then I started writing. So this is a style of writing, and you can see it's very simple. And same thing goes with your other tools, the pen tool itself, where you can add some fancy to your writing. You can select different colors and then you can start writing. So these are some of the things which are the wonderful activities can be done on the board, which other boards it is not possible. The same thing goes with the eraser also. You have multiple erasing options like your area eraser, your normal erasing. When you see that the time is wasted in that, you can use the area selection and that particular portion gets erased. So this is the flexibility in the handling of tools. The same goes with the shapes. You have both 2-dimensional as well as 3-dimensional shape. I can take you to the 2-dimensional shape. You can select any shape and you can see it is there. The same goes with the 3-dimensional shape. And if you want, teacher want to show the length settings, that can also be done. Now this particular property is where Spectron stands alone. Like most of the boards available in the market will only show the shapes in 2-dimensional, but here you have an additional option of selecting a shape with length settings. You can select the units and also the decimal digits in this, like any units like centimeters, millimeter, inches, you can customize. Now I am showing the same thing with the length setting. You can see this. So this is the flexibility in this. What all you are doing and what all the teacher is changing to the next page, all is being added into the page browser. You can see that all this are added into the page browser. Now this has a particular usage of, like, if the teacher is asking any doubt to the students and the student doesn't understand anything in the second topic and all, the teacher doesn't have to write the whole topic. She just has to select that particular topic and here it comes to the board. So the time and energy is not wasted for the teacher. The same, you have other features like point to point. This will be very useful for the maths teacher. You can show lens settings, and you can also without lens settings also you can use that. Instant Excel can be given to your board. Yeah, this is one more tool which is a unique feature in this Spectron board, is that the various theorems used in the maths, like I will show you the theorems, functions like cubic function, tangent function, these are the regular functions which the teacher is using. And you can see that now any of this function will have its schematic diagram also, like I am in the cosine function, and there it comes, you can have your cosine function in one instant. Now this is where this board stands alone. You don't have this feature in other boards. The next option is taking an analysis. Like a particular class has 100 students or 40 students. Here you can take like which student and how many students are above average, how many students are below average, by taking a simple analysis of pie diagram. I have selected the pie diagram, and here you can just add on instantly. Once I select this, the keyboard also comes along with it. Now this software has been programmed in such a way. Now you can just add on any name and give a value or marks for it. And there it is done. The same thing, you can add another name. This is a simple example I am taking. I have taken analysis of 2 students, and you also have to you can have the option of having a 3D effect of the pie, and different styles of pie is also there. You can select any style and say OK, and here it is. Within seconds the analysis has been taken and it is displayed on the board. This is a very strong point of this board. Not only a pie chart, but also you can take a histogram also, or a bar chart also in the same manner. Next is your power tools, like your spotlight tools. You take out a image from your library. Here you have a vast resource library. You can see that all the topics, the regular topics, are all covered in this. So let us take a simple example, and once you touch, here it is, you have different types of files. You can just select it and touch it on the board. If you think you want image, a bigger image, you can also select that image and make a bigger image. Anywhere you want, you can shift it. And here I am going to use my power tool, like the spotlight tool. Now you can see. Now these types of tools or power tools can be very effective to increase the concentration level of the students. Like a particular portion of image can be spotlighted. The same is with the other power tool, which is called as the revealer tool. Now I will show you the example of this revealer tool, very effective. Now you can see that these tools are not possible in a normal conventional board. Like you reveal a object or image or even a question based or answer based part by part, and you can ask the students questions So this makes the classroom more lively and interactive. You can see that you just only highlight a particular portion and you hide the rest of it, and then you can ask what is this, what type of animal is this. You can have multiple answers, and afterwards you can reveal the whole image. The same goes with the questions and answer also. You can just reveal the question and the answer is remain hidden. Once you get the answer from every student, you can just reveal the whole answer. Now these type of tools are very effective to increase the concentration level of the student. The next is multiple spotlights. Now these multiple spotlights is very effective in science lecture or science class, where you can just cut out a portion of your board and reveal the particular part. Now this is a single spotlight. You can also have a multiple spotlights by going to the setting, and here you can have these are the tools which increases the concentration level of the student. And next, you also have the screenshot, where you can cut and paste image using the camera tool. And you can see that instantly the portion you have selected, it gets cut and it gets pasted in the same page, where you can have the flexibility of doing the same thing with the desktop also. Apart from this, you have other features, like you have the saving option. You can save a particular file which you have done into multiple file formats. You can see the types and number of formats. Now this is another unique feature of the Spectron board. Almost umpty number of multiple files formats you can save into, which is easily not available in the market in other boards. And there is one more thing, like once you are going to the saving option or using the, automatically the keyboard also comes into the picture, where you can use the keyboard on the board itself. So hence I can say only one thing, that this board is not only an interactive board for the teacher, but it is also a very effective educational tool which can be given to each and every classroom, so that the effectiveness of the education level also increases in the classroom, and the interactiveness is also there. So that's it. Thanks for the day.